Alright guys, I wanted to do a quick video on how to replace that red ugly front bumper. Some people like it, some don't, but I decided to replace it. So this is the bumper you want. It's not the same as the 700 or the 500. This one is a XU bumper. And you can see it's a bit different. The metal part here is a bit bigger. And also the ends are sticking out. This one is more a slick look. They fit on the XT and also the XTP models. So this is what it's coming from, and I'll show you a part number. You can stop on it, or I'll put it in the description as well. And I already removed the front bumper, so the only thing that you have to remove will be those 4 bolts, right, which is here. This one, there's one on top here, and also to access it you might have to remove that plastic piece here on both sides. And if you remove the front bumper, you have to relocate your winch as well, which I did already. And it's pretty easy. You just replace your front plate, and after you install the winch back and put the wires together. I wish I would have done a video with that, but just to find that parts took forever. So anyhow, I got it now. It's in my garage, and I hope it helps some people. I know some people don't like the look, so that would be a nice look, and I want to see once it's done what it looks like. And also, yes, the what you need for tools would be a 13mm socket, a 13mm key. You can use a ratchet, but I'm gonna use an impact with this piece, right? And also just a flathead screwdriver. So let's do it. All done. It looks good. Hey, looks better than that red bumper. And I know the red bumper, the main use is that you don't have to dig for your hook if you're down low in the mud or anything like that. But if you're worried and you know you're gonna go in the mud, what you can do is you can hook your hook a bit higher. So what most people do, they just loose it up. They hook it on this, right, or any place like that. They use another rope normally. You know, you can put it like that and just ride like that. Obviously something a bit better than that, but you can hook it like somewhere like that, and the only thing, you won't be able to use your free spool, but you just use your electronic you know, button, and normally it's take a bit longer, but you know, that's what most people do if they're worried about going in the mud too deep. And I think the look is gonna be way better, and also gonna protect the sides here if you hit a tree or anything like that, the branch. Yeah, I think it looks better. And I bought the LED bar. I bought this one, actually the exact same one as this one. So there's some bracket you can put it on. Sticks up a bit higher, and it's gonna fill the void. It's 12 inches that you can fit in there, and I'll be installing that. I ordered that yesterday, and I'll receive that soon. So. And also bought some pods for the back. That's the previous. There's a bracket here for the reflectors. I'm gonna put the 4 inches pod here. I think it's gonna look good. And when you back up, sometimes you need light, or sometimes when I go ice fishing and stuff like that, you can use the light in the back and in the front as well. So Yeah, I also bought some end warmers. And I'll do a video on that as well. This is a sled end warmers, and this is the grips, but I'll do a video on that as well. And yeah, and yeah, so the black ones, they match this one, which was on the 700. This one was the old the 1000 that's on this one, and I put the seat of the 700 as well. The seat on this one is way stiffer than this one. This one is way softer, is nicer, and I wanted as much black as possible. No more red, right? There's still the chucks, the suspension, that's still some red, but I don't really care. It's not big of a deal. And I'll be installing that rear bumper as well. This one I painted the flat black. It's gonna be a close match, and it won't look, once it's in the back, I think it's gonna look fine. I'll do a picture as well at the end once it's all installed. Alright guys, please like and subscribe my video if you need more video like that, and I'll do more for you guys. Thank you.